Here we see one of our lovely forest friends. Let's move over to where the couple is. And here we see our usual friends. On this Killer's Old Forest Well, PG. It looks very nice. My. Oh, that's charming. I think I'm going to walk it and not take the ride. Maybe we'll take the ride back. Very cute. I wonder if there's someone behind us. Seeing something on baby's screen doesn't make any sense to me. I guess that was just the parents. Okay. Very cute. Oh, look at the bear. There can't be much of it because this guy circles pretty frequently. My father used to strike my mother, and I never to do that to my wife, but perhaps a few of those judiciously applied might have saved my marriage. that to that. Okay. And what's up here? Yeah, I always get it too late to do anything like that. Let's get them up. It's not a real house. Okay. Let's take the route of the squirrel. Oh, look at the rabbits. They're having a time. Bears. Across the track here. Oh, how about that? Let's get Mother on that. Lovely fire. Rugs laid out for a picnic. Nutmeg Garden Comfort Lounge Chair. Only 4 poses. And that's all there is, I think. Yep, all there is. And we'll get her up. There's the train again. Is it couples? I don't think so. Nope. So we'll have to put him over here. Wrapped Long day. I wonder. Thoughts. Curiosity. Intrigued. Engaged. And gazing. And her. Same thing. Wrapped. Long day. I wonder. Thoughts, curiosity, intrigued, engaged, and gazing. Very cute. Let's get her up. Left seat, middle seat, right seat. And that's all there is. Well, that didn't work. That's getting closer. Her on the right seat. See if that does anything. Oh, well, she does get. Okay, we'll put him on the left seat. I've been doing a lot of that lately. Excuse me. Okay, that's enough. And finally him. Oh wait, here is our squirrel friend again. Oh, look at this. Decorative backdrop with a bear. think this is as far as the woods go. I wonder, can we sit on this? Let's try that. Nope, no place to sit. And how about get past the tree first? Nope, no place to sit. I doubt there is anything up here. Nope, this is the edge of our wilderness. Well, that's a sort of a path. Goes over here. And baby is caught on it, which is very suitable, as it does appear to be a baby. I've done a lot of that, mindfully spending time in nature. We have a campsite here. Sap mother. Now, is this for couples? Nope. Let's see what she can do. Excuse my snuffling. See about taking some antihistamines when we're done here. It's disappointing that there isn't that much to it. Now those were all female poses. The next poses will be male. As she's doing them, they are, for her, female. Okay, and she can get up then. This over here. Oh, there's more over here. Let's look around. That looks very sweet. I must say I have been in many woods, but I have never found anything like this. There we go. And now for him. Oh, we got three sets of cuddles. Nutmeg Countryside Dream Bed. I have found places in the woods where one could have a nice lay if one wanted to. In fact, I've spent many nights in the woods. I did a hefty portion of the Appalachian Trail from New Jersey to West Virginia. Oh gosh. Oh my. Oh, look at the bird. I have heard of quite hydrophobic fabrics. Wonder if you could create an actual bed like this in the woods using hydrophobic fabrics. If the fabric would stay clean, being hydrophobic. That's an idea that I will never test. So that's 11 poses. It goes back to the start. Okay, that's the MFs, FFs. Makes him look a little shy, that's all. Baby. Very nice. the last one, I usually swap them for this. Let's see if I will this time. Yes, I think I will. That looks better that way. Now for the Cuddles, I recommend swapping them. That's nice. Okay, that is all there is. And that is plenty. I do like this. Let's get him up first because he seems to be on top. There you go. What's behind the wall? Not much. All right, I promised a ride. Let's see if this is going to happen. Baby needs turned around. So we are waiting. Well, where is it? It was passing so frequently before, and now it's making us. Oh, here it comes. There we are. Don't know what's up with him. It's only on his own screen that oh, look at that. There's a bridge. Only has his own screen that he's hovering this way. actually stand up. Okay, now I'll stand up and get him seated properly. There we go. And we'll go around for another turn. And that will be today's presentation. People are appearing. That's it. Let's get off here. I didn't see this one. It appears that our stay is going to be extended just a little bit. Where we'll end it. Oh, just across the tracks from the other. Culls. DRD, Old Gazebo Bench Rust. Lover's Couch. Oh my, yes. There was a bird right here, but then it disappeared. I was going to look at it, but I wasn't able to. Very cute. Very cute. I like this pose. It's called Hollywood elsewhere. Let's stop right here. We'll be someplace else tomorrow. Join us then. Please like, please subscribe. Never forget to always remember every time the notification bell rings, an old man gets his wings, and you get to see more of my videos. So give me a big thumbs up and hit the red button. Bye.